here's a familiar story. A CEO puts out a pledge for gender equity, only to find out after their press release that out of their new hires, 97% of them would need to be women. And this is at a power tool company. 89% of US companies today have formal diversity, equity, and inclusion, or DEI goals. But what nearly all of them have in common is that they're struggling to move from a strategy on a shelf to an actionable program. At most companies, a DEI team looks like one person and an overwhelming spreadsheet. That spreadsheet might pull together a dozen separate systems of unusable data, and simply put, that person is not set up for success with the people, data, or tools that they need to do this job. And that is why most of them are leaving within about 24 months, and it is the highest turnover C-suite position today. Hi, I'm Noelle London, and I'm the founder and CEO of Illoominus, like Illuminate Us. We help HR and DEI leaders to activate their strategies through data. We do this by bringing together all of their inclusion-related data, no matter where it lives, so that they understand what's happening with DEI across the employee journey. With Illoominus's actionable insights, we simplify your process, accelerate your progress, and help you to understand where to focus your efforts. Remember that power tool company that I mentioned to you earlier? With Illoominus, they would have learned that it's not just about hiring women. They needed to focus just as much on retaining them and growing them into leadership positions. You see, with Illoominus, we are the Get Insights Now DEI data solution. After speaking to hundreds of companies, we have purpose-built the easiest to implement DEI-focused solution today. See, with Illoominus, companies no longer have to build complex internal systems on their own because they finally have a turnkey option. Why would you spend 10x more and spend 6x more time to figure this out when, frankly, everyone is tired of hearing, "We're working on it"? With Illoominus, you no longer have to build this on your own. We give you the time to focus on the initiatives that are going to drive your results. Today, we're a part of the $15.4 billion DEI market, as well as the much larger market for ESG, which is close to $50 billion. We work with companies who are over 500 employees through annual SaaS licenses, and with DEI consultants who are finally ready to ditch one-time assessments and actually build ongoing partnerships with their clients. Here's what our initial paying customers said about how we give them the data they need at their fingertips and the actionable insights to manage their DEI strategy. Since launching Illoominus in January of this year, our product is live in market with initial paying customers. And I'm pleased to share that in the past 3 months, we have signed a go-to-market partnership with a DEI consultant, as well as signed our first enterprise customer in program that is over 20,000 employees and allowing us to 5x our monthly revenue. Through the program, we've had the chance to work with some of the very best mentors on refining our go-to-market strategy. But let me tell you about our team. We're a diverse team of experts in HR, DEI, and enterprise technology. For over a decade, I've worked with hundreds of high-growth startups and most recently led Accenture Ventures South and startup enterprise sales with our Fortune 2000 clients. But just like I have, our team is made of individuals who have tried to build internal DEI programs. And frustrated by a lack of progress, we are passionate about building a better way. Our vision is to be the leading source of DEI data across organizations, so that for the very first time, we will actually understand what works for companies, and we can share those insights and recommendations across companies. And we want you to also be a part of helping us light the way to a more inclusive working world. So join us.